Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic important days of August month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. Hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with the session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you'll see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from it, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. First, when is World Best Feeding Week observed? It is observed between 1st to 7th of August. Important. Mark it. World Best Feeding Week. And if it is asked what is the theme for the World Best Feeding Week that is observed from 1st to 7th of August is Protect Breastfeeding, a shared responsibility. I repeat, protect breastfeeding, a shared responsibility is the theme for the World Best Feeding Week, which is observed from 1st to 7th of August. Next, Muslim Rights Day. I repeat, Muslim Women's Rights Day is observed on 1st of August. Mark it. Then on 1st of August, we also observe World Lung Cancer Day. So on 1st of August, World Lung Cancer Day as well as your Muslim Women Rights Day. Then on 4th of August, we observe National Bone and Joint Day. I repeat, National Bone and Joint Day is observed on 4th of August. Mark it. And if it is asked what is the theme for the National Bone and Joint Day, it is Save Self and Save One. Next is your 6th of August. 6th of August we observe Hiroshima Day. Important. This is the day when US dropped a nuclear bomb on Japan. Alright. This is the 6th of August, Hiroshima Day. and it is to honor to remember the victims of the world's first atomic bombing on Hiroshima, Japan during the World War II. And this is the 76th anniversary of Hiroshima Day. Next we'll be talking about 7th National Handloom Day. It is asked when is the National Handloom Day observed? It is observed on 7th of August, and on 7th of August this is the 7th edition of National Handloom Day. Another thing you need to remember from 7th of August that is important is National Javelin Throw Day. National Javelin Throw Day is observed or has been recognized as 7th of August has been recognized as the National Javelin Throw Day after on this day Neeraj Chopra has won gold medal for India in javelin throw event of sport in Tokyo Olympic Games that were held in the Tokyo. Alright, next we'll be discussing it later. Next is your Quit India Movement Day. I repeat, it was the 79th anniversary of Quit India Movement that was observed on 8th of August. Alright, and if it is asked in which year Quit India Movement started, it was your 1942 and particular date is 8th of August 1942. Quit India Movement was observed across India. The 8th of August marks the 79th anniversary of Quit India Movement, and this is also known as Agast Kranti Divas or India Agast Movement since the movement was held in August. The Quit India Movement is annually observed across India on 8th of August to commemorate the launch of the Quit India Movement in 1942. This has just been repeated. Next is your International Day of the World Indigenous People that is observed on 9th of August, and the theme will be leaving no one behind, indigenous people and the call for a new social contract. Important market. I repeat, theme is leaving no one behind, indigenous people and the call for a new social contract. This day is observed by United Nations, that is International Day of the World Indigenous People, observed across the globe on 9th of August to recognize the contributions and achievements of the indigenous people across the globe, who have a vast variety or have a vast diversity of unique cultures, traditions, languages and knowledge systems. The day aims to protect the rights of the world's indigenous population, that is also known as World Tribal Day. The theme of the International Day of the World's Indigenous People is leaving no one behind, indigenous people and the call for a new social contract. Theme is important, so do take a note of this. Next, we'll be talking about Nagasaki Day. As we saw on 6th of August, Hiroshima Day was observed as a nuclear bomb was dropped on Hiroshima by United States of America. Now, the question can also be asked, what was the name of the bomb that was dropped on Nagasaki or Hiroshima particularly? So see, there were two bombs, Fat Man and Little Boy. Fat Man was dropped on Nagasaki on 9th of August and Little Boy that was dropped on Hiroshima on 6th of August. So difference was of 3 days, and on 6th of August we observe Hiroshima Day and on 9th of August we observe your Nagasaki Day. Alright. Next is your World Biodiesel Day. Important as it is related to your environment. World Biodiesel Day is observed on 10th of August and the theme will be biofuels for sustainability and rural income. I repeat, theme is biofuels for sustainability and rural income, and it is observed on 10th of August, World Biodiesel Day. Next, World Lion Day. It is observed on 10th of August. Mark it. Next, as we saw, AFI, what is AFI? Athletics Federation of India is about to now will be celebrating 7th of August as the National Javelin Throw Day, and it is celebrated because on this day Neeraj Chopra won gold medal for India in the javelin throw sport. Next we'll be observing 13th August as your World Organ Donation Day. Mark it, World Organ Donation Day on 13th of August. Next, International Left-Handers Day is also observed on 13th of August. Mark it. This is for left-handing people. Next is your World Pre-Diabetes Day, when it is observed on 14th of August. Important. Another 14th day August is important because this year, that is from 2021, from the year 2021, we will be observing 14th August as your Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. Important, very important data to be remembered. Alright. Partition Horrors Remembrance Day will be observed from which year? From 2021, and this will be observed on 14th of August. Then Patriots Day. Patriots Day was observed by Manipur. And when is your Patriots Day? It is being asked here. This was 13th of August. Mark it. Patriots Day is observed on 13th of August and it was celebrated in Manipur. Next, as we know, 15th August it is celebrated as Independence Day. But the important question is, how many years of independence it was completed on this year or on this day, that is 15th of August 2021. It was your 75th year of independence. And the theme for it was Nation First, Always First. Next, we'll be talking about World Humanitarian Day that is observed on 19th of August. Mark it. Next is your World Photography Day that is observed on 19th of August also. Again, on 20th of August, we observe Sadbhavna Divas. I repeat, Sadbhavna Divas is observed on 20th of August. As you can see in the picture here, Rajiv Gandhi is mentioned. So, Sadbhavna Divas is annually celebrated across India on the birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. This day aims to promote national integration and communal harmony among the people of religions and all religions and languages. The Sadbhavna Divas literally means Harmony Day. The Sadbhavna Divas 2021 marks the 77th birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi. He was born on 20th of August 1944 and his birth anniversary is also celebrated as Rajiv Gandhi Akshay Urja Divas. So important, Sadbhavna Divas is celebrated to honor Rajiv Gandhi and it is observed on 20th of August. Next, World Mosquito Day. It is observed on 20th of August also. On 21st of August, we observe World Senior Citizens Day. Next, mark it important. This is your International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism. Means the people who were the victims of terrorism and terrorist activities. This day is celebrated to remember them and to pay tribute to them. That is International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism that is observed on 21st of August. Next is World Sanskrit Day, and very important question. When is World Sanskrit Day observed? It is observed on 22nd of August. Next, World Entrepreneurs Day on 21st of August. Mark it. Next is your Akshay Urja Divas or National Renewable Energy Day is observed on 20th of August. That is Akshay Urja Divas, also known as National Renewable Energy Day, annually observed on 20th of August to create awareness about the benefits of natural energy such as biogas, solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric power. This day also marks the birth anniversary of Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. We just saw above that. On his birth anniversary, we also observe Akshay Urja Divas. Next is your World Water Week that is observed from 23rd to 27th of August, and the theme for this World Water Week is Building Resilience Faster. Important, market. Next we'll be talking about National Remote Sensing Day that is observed on 12th of August. Market also. Alright, National Remote Sensing Day annually observed across India on 12th of August to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who is known as the father of Indian space program. Very important question can be asked. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? He is Dr. Vikram Sarabhai and his birth anniversary is marked as or celebrated as National Remote Sensing Day on 12th of August. Next is National Sports Day. Another important question to be marked. National Sports Day is observed on 29th of August. Alright. National Sports Day annually observed across India on 29th of August to commemorate the birth anniversary of Olympian and Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is popularly known as Hockey Wizard and the Magician. Next is your International Day Against Nuclear Test that is observed on 29th of August. Market. Next is your National Small Industries Day that is observed on 30th of August. National Small Industry Day on 30th of August. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment, or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.